How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to look at how to reset your oil life in a 2015 to 2020 F-150. This is going to be the procedure if you just changed your oil and to get your oil life back to 100%. So you're going to start by just turning the truck on. You don't have to turn it completely on. Just turning the accessory drive on can be fine. Press OK to get out. Okay, so mine defaults to the digital speedometer. So you're going to want to find this truck info tab here. You can use these buttons to navigate. We are already on truck info. We just need to go down one to engine information, and you'll see percent oil life 60%. Hold OK to reset. So all you do is hold down OK until it resets, and then you can let it go as soon as it hits 100%, and then you're good to go.